Did you know that certain herbs can help protect your brain and prevent memory loss? Let's embark on an exciting exploration into the world of herbs that not only spice up your meals, but also contribute to your brain health. Kicking off our list is turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice that's more than just a kitchen staple. Turmeric is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. But did you know that it possesses the unique ability to cross the blood-brain barrier? Yes, this means turmeric can deliver its benefits directly to your brain. At the heart of turmeric's power lies an active compound known as curcumin. Curcumin is a natural ally for the brain, known for its potential to improve memory and uplift mood. It's like having a personal trainer for your brain, helping it stay fit and agile. So incorporating turmeric in your diet can be a great step towards brain health. Moving on, let's dive into the world of green tea and rosemary. Green tea, a daily staple for many, is a powerhouse of antioxidants and compounds that act as a shield, protecting our brains from the wear and tear of aging. It's been linked to enhanced brain function, and studies have even suggested it can improve memory and reduce the risk of illnesses such as Alzheimer's. Now, let's saunter over to rosemary, a herb that's not just for seasoning your Sunday roast. Rosemary has long been associated with memory enhancement. The ancients weren't wrong, as modern science confirms this. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, rosemary aids in soothing your brain and improving concentration. It's like a mini spa treatment for your brain, right at your kitchen counter. So next time you're brewing a cup of tea or whipping up dinner, remember to sprinkle in some rosemary. Isn't it interesting how these everyday herbs can contribute to our brain health? Next up on our list are ginkgo biloba and ashwagandha. Let's delve into ginkgo biloba first. This herb has a storied history in traditional medicine, particularly when it comes to brain health. It's known to bolster mental performance and cultivate a sense of well-being. But its benefits aren't just limited to the mind. Ginkgo biloba is a holistic herb that promotes overall wellness. Now let's shift gears to ashwagandha. Known as an adaptogen, ashwagandha is a superstar in the world of herbal remedies. This powerful herb helps the body effectively manage stress. And when it comes to brain health, ashwagandha doesn't disappoint. It's known to alleviate anxiety, promote better sleep, and enhance memory. The beauty of ashwagandha lies in its dual ability to support both the mind and the body, creating a synergy of wellness. These two herbs not only help with brain health, but also contribute to overall wellness. So don't overlook the power of these natural remedies in your journey to a healthier brain and a more vibrant life. Last but not least, we have bacopa and sage. Bacopa, a cornerstone in the world of Ayurvedic medicine, is known for its remarkable attributes. It's touted for its ability to enhance memory, reduce stress, and foster a sense of tranquility. It's like a daily workout for your brain, keeping it sharp and agile. Next, we pivot to sage. This humble herb carries a mighty reputation for bolstering brain function and memory. It's especially beneficial for those grappling with Alzheimer's, offering a beacon of hope amidst challenging times. Now let's take a moment to recap. We've journeyed through the world of 7 magnificent herbs: turmeric, rosemary, ashwagandha, bacopa, and sage. Each with unique anti-aging properties. They aid in protecting the brain, enhancing memory, and ultimately, enriching our lives. Remember, a healthier brain could be just a cup of tea or a sprinkle of spice away. Embrace these herbs for a healthier you,